Hi there, my name's Vince from My Mate Vince, and in this video today we're going to try to fix up this VAX SpotWash. It's a little carpet cleaner made for little stains on the carpet, rugs, upholstery, stuff like that. I bought it faulty from eBay for just under 40 UK pounds, but it currently retails in the shops and Amazon for £129.99, so it's still a current product. It was sold as no power, and that's exactly what it's got. Weird thing is, it looks brand new. I've got the box here, I've got the instructions, this has never been opened, everything looks immaculate. So if it's had any use, it's very little. I don't think it has any use. I think it's been faulty from manufacture, and maybe when it was shipped to the first person, they turned it on, it didn't work, and it went straight back. So yeah, let me show you. If I plug it in here, it's not doing anything. We've got a little on and off switch up here, and there's nothing happening there at all. So let's bring it over to the mat and see if we can work out what's going on and see if we can get this work again, because it's got loads of reviews, so it's obviously quite a product that is in demand, so it would be nice if we could get it working. Right, I can see a few screws around the back and screws down here, so I'm just going to start undoing screws and see what comes apart. I'm thinking it might be something to do with the on-off switch just here. Or I'm wondering, has this thing got a thermal fuse? Has the thermal fuse gone? Because maybe it was dropped and maybe that knocked out the thermal fuse. Now obviously I'm unplugged from the main, so when I open this up there's no electricity going into this. Now bits of water will come out because I can see already now. I can see there's a few puddles here. 400 watts, and this model is CDCWCSXS, which is still the same one that's in the shops. And the idea is when you finish, you put a bit of clean water in the clean bucket, and then you put your hose in here, and then it's supposed to suck it out, and I think it's supposed to clean up this here. It seems to be stuck on at the bottom there. Does that lift up? There we go. I don't even think you might not need to take that off. Well, that's wanting to come off there, but not really down there. Maybe I need to take out these red things. There we go. Right, so I can see some sort of pump down here. Do the same this side. Yeah, and then it lifts up from here, you see, so you do have to undo these red things. Oh yeah, because the red thing's keeping this down here, so you do have to undo them. Right, this should come apart now. Yes, you are. Let's just get rid of the screws. Now, okay. Sometimes you do get honest fixes. Can anybody see anything? Remember I said about the power switch? Can you see what's wrong? Give you a few more seconds. Shall I zoom in on the power switch to help? Can you see what's wrong now? So what is the power switch actually switching? We've got 2 neutrals and 2 lives, but look at this live here. It's not connected. So I wonder now how easy do these come off. So that's kind of locked in place. So is it not locking in because the little metal thing isn't down enough, or was it just not pushed in enough at the factory? Let's see. So 100%. What I presume at the factory, this was probably just barely on, and then during transit, it would have just fallen off. Now, is that on? That's on, look at that. That is on. I'm giving that a good tug, that a good tug, that a good tug, and that a good tug. Okay, well, do you know what? Sometimes it's nice to get easy fixes. I think that's all that's wrong with it. So basically this didn't know to turn on because the switch wasn't doing anything, because this wasn't connected here. So there was nothing to get the live from here, which probably goes straight down to the plug, onto this live one here, which goes into this thing here, whatever this is. I'm not quite sure where that should be stuck to. That needs to be stuck somewhere because it's sticky here, but I don't know where that's going to go. Let's see if I can make a bit more room for myself. Let's see where it should go. There's nowhere for it to go apart from that side there. Can it go this side? What is it anyway? EMI filter. I think the only place it can go is here. Then I'm going to stick it there. Okay. Right, let's put that back together. I thought it had no use. This will be perfect for the little stains around the house when you don't want to get the big carpet cleaner out. Also, good for cars as well. As far as I can see, all the screws are the same, so that's good. Let's just do everything back up, and then we'll give it a little test. I'll turn it on for a second, but I don't want to run it dry. Oh, that goes on. That goes on before this. That's why I have trouble taking it out. It's funny because I was moaning at my wife earlier saying everything recently has been a nightmare to fix, and the time now is nearly 10 o'clock and I've been working on something all day that I'm going to need spares for. You know, and now I've just been blessed with this one. The weird thing is that this was too easy. So I'm wondering whether to release this as a video in its own right or whether to add it in with some other stuff, because I don't think people are going to like this one. Do you know what? I might just put it down as a tea break repair. Okay, I'm only going to run it dry just for a second. It's not going to be good for it. Here we go. Turn on. Fantastic. Right, let's fill it up with some detergent. Let's do a little bit of cleaning, finish up the video. Right, it's quite nice how they've done this. So for a small area, you fill water to here, hot water, and then solution from there to here. And for a larger area, you go water to here and solution to here. So I've just gone with a small area here. I've gone a little bit over, but yeah, let's give it a go. Right, there's 3 stains. One here, this is my daughter's bedroom. No matter how many times I say, don't bring food upstairs, the only time I see her is going up the stairs with a plate of food. Stain there, and a stain here. This one, I don't know what that one is. My wife thinks that looks like a raspberry. This one I think is makeup, so it might not be that easy to take off. But let's give it a go. In fact, I spotted another one there that looks like makeup as well, probably fake tan or something. Right, so how it's supposed to work is when I turn it on, you press this button here and liquid comes out here. You're then supposed to agitate it with the brushes and then you lean it forward because there's this little slit here, and basically that's going to soak everything up. So let's see if it does as it's supposed to. Right, well unfortunately that ain't gonna come out. That looks like some kind of dye or something, so maybe that will need some different chemicals on it to get rid of that, or maybe that's never gonna come out. There's no point in doing the other one because that's the same as this. Let's do the other 2, see if they come out, because they look more food related. In fact, I can see a raspberry seed here. Right, I'm confident that that's going to be just fine when it dries. This carpet does actually have flecks of different colour in it anyway, so there is like flecks of kind of purpley red in it anyway. The idea is that it's not a uniform colour, so it hides dirt and stains more when there's smaller stains. Right, let's move on to that last one. Well, there we go. Look at the murkiness in that water there. Look at the colour of it compared to this side. So it's definitely got dirt out, hasn't it? Okay, so once that dries, that stain will definitely be gone. Once that dries, that stain will be gone. But these two stains are not going to go. I haven't even tried that one, but you can still see, even after scrubbing that for a good while, it's no different than it was before. So obviously it's sort of dyed into the carpet, which is a shame. But I think for most stains it's going to work successfully, because why wouldn't it? It shoves out the detergent, you scrub it, and then it sucks it back up. So there you go. Let's finish off the video with putting out the dirty water, because that'd be quite satisfying. Let's see this now. Yep, wow. I thought the carpet was pretty clean. Obviously that isn't from the actual stains. There's only going to be partial stains from the raspberry and whatever the other stuff was. And that's just dirt in the carpet. Isn't that amazing? Wow. And I thought the carpet was clean. It shows you that you probably should clean your carpets. That looks disgusting. Anyway, I'm going to call it a day there. Just shows you can still buy honest things from eBay. That was 100% honest. Anybody could have bought that. I just happened to click on it. But yeah, what a nice, simple, honest repair. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a massive thumbs up, and I will see you all very soon. Thank you so much for watching.